You know, everybody's entitled to his own opinion, so whatever they say, it's up to them. It's, if that's their opinion. But as far as I'm concerned, and my opinion is, the Senate is stable, both majority and minority. I am very sure that the Senate is stable, and we will make sure, under my leadership, we will make sure that everything will be transparent, everything will be accountable.
So what do you think about rumors na merong attempt to unseat you and install a new leadership?
Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling eh. Alam mo naman dito sa Senado, pagka nanggagaling sa social media yung kwento, hindi ka, well, madaling kumalat dahil social media, pero I don't see it coming from anywhere. In fact, no, the other day, nagkausap kami ni Senator Alan at nababanggit na rin yan eh. Sabi niya nga, siya mismo nagsabi sa akin, wala naman akong kinakausap kahit sino eh, sabi ron niya.
Any believe him, sir? Any believe him, sir? Any believe him, sir?
Yeah, I believe him.
Sir, yung pong napag-usapan ninyo sa majority regarding dun sa leadership po, nag-loyalty check ba kayo or sila mismo kinausap kayo after hearing the story na nasa sa inyo pa rin yung suporta po nila?
Oh, nagkakausap-usap naman kami. Pagka mayroong mga lumilitaw na ganyan, I get messages from some of them saying na, ano ba yan, we should listen to that, mga ganun-ganun. Yeah, no need for a loyalty check.
How confident are you, SP, that the majority still... How confident are you, SP, that the majority bloc still supports your Senate presidency?
I'm quite confident. But as usual, you know, any senator who is elected into the leadership only serve at the pleasure of your colleagues, of your peers. So we always leave it at that. But as far as I'm concerned, and as far as I know now, I'm quite confident that we are stable and the leadership of the Senate is well in place.
May interviews kay Senator JV na parang may lumabas mga reports na may balak siyang kumala sa majority. May ganun hubang na sabi po sa inyo?
Paulit-ulit si JV, sinasabi niya na nung araw pa yan, rehash daw yan eh. And he was interviewed and quoted that, I think about more than 2 weeks ago, when the issue of the interview of Senator Lacson mentioned about certain insertions of some senators, or almost all like that. Parang ganun yung ganabi. That was the reaction of Senator JV the following day. But after that, when I explained what insertions and amendments are and how it is really placed in the budget, at yun yung mga nabanggit na yun, ay karamihan naman yung amendments, it all settled down eh.